The trial of members of the Uchence gang began today in the Home Circuit Court, and all 24 members of the gang pleaded not guilty to 53 counts of indictment brought against them by the Office of the Director of Prosecution. 2 police officers are also on trial for their involvement with the gang. TVJ's Kirk Wright was there and filed this report.
In court today, it took a while before all the 53 indictments were read out to the accused men and women who all pleaded not guilty. The charges against the accused gang members include armed robberies, burglaries, break-ins, shootings, wounding, and other major crimes. Investigators accused the gang of being involved in car stealing and added that they stole more than $400 million in goods between January 1, 2015 and December 31, 2017. It's alleged that in some instances, the gang members have raped some of their victims in front of their family members, and those who resisted were shot. At the start of the trial on Monday, Lloyd McFarlane, lead attorney for the alleged gang leader Uchence Wilson, objected to the new indictment presented in court today and asked the court for a day to look it over and talk to his client. He said he got the indictment 6 days before the trial and that his team did not get sufficient time to look it over and prepare a proper defense. Justice Brian Sykes objected and granted Mr. McFarlane only 45 minutes to look over the indictment so the trial could get on the way today as planned. Uchence Wilson and his gang members are charged under the anti-gang legislation. 2 policemen were also charged. One of the 2 was today freed of the charges under the anti-gang legislation, but he has been remanded and is to answer to other